The phrase "hold the fort" originally comes from the military, specifically in fortress warfare. During the American Civil War, General Sherman told the Allatoona soldiers, "Hold the fort at all costs, for I am coming." This inspired a hymn by Philip P. Bliss called "Hold the Fort," which later became a common expression. Nowadays, it does not literally mean defending a physical fortress. Today, if we say "hold the fort," it means to take responsibilities of someone that is currently away, or to delegate your responsibilities to another while you're gone. Let's see some examples in action. Imagine that you are working at the checkout line and you need to go away for a while. You can ask your colleague, Kevin, "Hey Kevin, can you hold the fort on the line for a minute? I gotta go to the bathroom." "Yeah, sure, go ahead." Here, hold the fort means taking someone's place for a short time. You need to leave your work area, so Kevin steps in to keep scanning groceries and helping customers until you return. Another example. Mother asks her eldest son, "Billy, I need to go shopping. Can you hold the fort with your little brother for a little while?" "Sure, Mom. We can play with Legos." Here, hold the fort means transferring one's responsibility to another for a while. Mom is leaving for a short shopping trip, and Billy will hold the fort by looking after his little brother. This means keeping him safe and entertained until Mom comes back. Let's repeat. Hold the fort means taking charge of something when someone else is gone for a short time. So next time someone needs you to step up for a short while, you can confidently say, "I'll hold the fort."